In the previous video, we saw how we can add a chart based on the data that we have in our worksheet. In this exercise file, I have already inserted a few charts. Click on the first chart to activate it. Ensure that you are on the Design tab. Let's add a chart title to this selected chart. Click on the Add Chart Element button. Take your mouse pointer over the chart title option and then click on the above chart option. This will add the chart title on the top of the chart. To add the chart title, just click on the text box. Delete the text that is already inside the text box and type chocolate. To deselect the text box, click on this white area or just press the Escape key. We can even change the formatting of the chart title. Just click on the chart title, then from the ribbon bar, click on the Format tab. In the Word Styles group, click on the More button to see some more options. Here you can see the various styles. Take your mouse pointer over any of the options that we have here. You can see we are getting a live preview. Instead of typing the name manually, we can link the chart title to a cell. So if we change the text in the cell, the chart title will change automatically. Let's see how we can do that. First step is to select the chart title. Ensure that you are not in the text editing mode. The border that appears around the chart title should be solid and not dotted. If it is dotted, that means that you are in text editing mode. So press the Escape key, put an equal to sign, and you can see nothing appears in the text box. But if you see in the formula bar, we have the equal to sign, and now we have to click on the reference cell. In this case, it is this cell. Now press the Enter key and you will notice that the same text appears as the chart title. If we edit the text that we have in this cell, the title of the chart will change automatically. So let's click on this cell and type Sales. You can see the chart title changes automatically. We can even change the color of the bars that we have in our chart. First, let's click on this chart to select it. Then click on the Design tab. Here you can see the Change Colors drop-down menu. Click on the Change Color drop-down menu. In this menu, we have the option for different colors. Take your mouse pointer over any of the options and you will notice that the color of the bar is changing. Let's scroll down and select the last chart that we have on this sheet. Click on the bar that we have on this sheet. You will notice that the bar is selected and we get this small round circle around the bar. Press Ctrl and 1. This is the shortcut to open a Format Data Series pane on the right-hand side of the document. We have these three icons on the top. The first one is the Fill and Line icon. The second one is the Effects icon. And the third one is the Series option. Click on the Fill and Line icon. Then click on the Fill option. Now here, click on the Gradient Radio button. Here, when we change the gradient, stops by dragging it. Click on the Picture or Texture Fill Radio button. You can see a texture is applied to the bar. To change the texture, click on the Texture drop-down. Here, you can see we have the various texture options. Click on this paper bag option. This axis, where you can see the months written on it, is called the category axis. When you click on the category axis, you will notice that the pane here gives us the options related to the formatting of the axis. In the pane, you will notice we get a new icon called the Size and Properties icon. Click on it. Here, we have a custom angle text box. Click on the down arrow and you will notice that the text is rotating till it reaches -35 degrees. In this way, we can rotate the text. Now, click on this 3D chart. You can see now we are getting the options related to changing the chart area. Click on the effects icon. Here you will notice we have multiple options. Click on the 3D rotation option. This will give us some more options. Here we have 3 options: X rotation, Y rotation, and perspective. We can use these 3 options to rotate the 3D chart. Click on the up arrow to change the perspective of the chart. Change the perspective angle to 45 degrees. Let's see how we can change the formatting of the legends that we have here. Click on the legend to select it. Then, from the ribbon bar, click on the Format tab. In the Shape Style group, click on the More drop-down arrow. Here, you can see all the options that are available to us. When you take your mouse pointer over any of the options, you can see a live preview. In this way, we can change the formatting of the legends. We can use the Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Shape Effects options as well to format the legends.